Hey guys, so today I thought I would make a pour painting, but I'm going to use some hollow glitter that I have here, and it's a different type of technique for the pour painting, or one that I haven't done. So like this one, I'm going to use these bottles, and I'm going to make like little dots and then spread it around instead of putting like a cup or anything, so I can control it a little bit better. So yeah, here are the colors I have. I have gray, a black, a purple, and a blue. And I'm gonna start with the darkest color first. And I'm just gonna do a little dot. And I'm gonna let it spread out. And I'm gonna do several. That's good. And I'm gonna add some purple. To the middle. So it's kind of like a water marble. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add some blue. And then I'm gonna add the gray. Now I'm gonna swirl it around with my finger. Now I'm gonna take my glitter and I'm gonna add it. And now I'm gonna swish it around. And here is the painting. I like how this turned out, and I like it better than using the cup too, and it's more controlled. As you can see, those are not pour paintings, but like those ones that I did before, And then I have one in my room that I can show you too. Okay, so here are 2 pour paintings I've done before. I did these during Christmas, that's why there's those colors. And I did this with a cup, but I like this one better, and it looks more like marbly. And yeah, so now I'm gonna do another one. I have a smaller canvas because I don't have much paint left, so yeah. Okay, so now I have my same paint colors, and I'm just gonna put them on here. I'm gonna do it lightest to darkest though, so I think the black will come out more. Not much left in there. Oh, and I've got paint all over this. And I'm gonna do the blue, because the other one has a lot of blue in it. Now I'm gonna add some purple. And then I'm gonna add some black. Okay. Now, I have to marble it first and add glitter. Or actually, I don't want to marble it. I'm gonna see what it would look like if it wasn't marbled. So I'm gonna add glitter. Oh, I added a lot, but as you can see in the other one, you can't see it as well. This one's cool, and since there's a lot of black, you can see the hollow a lot. And I'm just kind of swishing it around more so I can get all the white spots and can marbleize a little bit. And there's this one. This one looks cool because the black adds like all the hollow, so you can see it all. It's cool. So yeah, here's my second pour painting. And this one I didn't water marble with my finger, so maybe that's why it doesn't have as many swirls, but then there's also black, so it kind of takes over everything. So yeah, I like this technique of pour painting, and I might do it again. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.